Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this Angular video we learn about ng-for. Firstly create array and apply loop over it. I am right here property users and it contain value Nikhil, Nilesh, Deepak and Vishal. In HTML file I am right here s2 tag star ng-for let name of variable data. You can write any variable name. I am right here data of name of property is users. Double curly braces and name of variable data. Compile and open browser. All values are printed. I am right here another property details and I am create here object name. It contain value Vishal, email Vishal @gmail.com, mobile 999. And simply copy this and paste here for Nikhil and Nilesh. Nikhil Nikhil 33 @gmail.com and mobile number of Nikhil is 888. Here I am right Nilesh @gmail.com and mobile number is 777. Open HTML file. Here I am right another s2 tag star ng-for let name of variable data of and name of property is details. Details is name of variable is data and first object property is name. Name data another is email and last one is data dot mobile. Again compile this Okay, open browser and see all values are printed. Thanks for watching.